A Miami federal judge today extended an order that blocks the deportation of 76 Haitian refugees. Eliott Rodriguez reports the court order has forced immigration officials to reassess their deportation process.
Attorneys for the Haitians came to federal court trying to block the deportation of 85 refugees. The Haitians were ordered deported after exclusion hearings were conducted earlier this month. But Haitian attorneys told Judge Alcee Hastings the hearings were unfair. They said the Haitians did not understand the complexities of immigration law and were not allowed to consult attorneys. Judge Hastings ordered that the Haitians not be deported until he can study transcripts of the exclusion hearings and possibly even ask the Haitians themselves if they understood the process. Attorneys for the refugees said they'll prove the hearings were unjust.
The hearings were unfair in their inception, and that is that the Haitians were not informed of their rights. They were cut off from attorneys who could effectively represent them. They were herded all into a room, 30 at a time, behind locked doors. The service locked those doors, which the Attorney General has even said is not a proper policy to embark upon. And they otherwise did not knowingly and intelligently, in terms of the Haitians, carry on an immigration hearing.
Attorneys for the government denied charges that immigration violated the rights of the Haitians to due process.
Were they given fair hearings?
It is the government's position that on the record, yes, they were.
Did they understand what was going on during those exclusion hearings?
They said they did.
Did they know that they had a right to a lawyer?
Yes. Not a right to a lawyer, the right to choose to be represented by a lawyer.
Immigration officials were planning to reinstate deportation hearings next week. But late this afternoon, an INS spokesman said officials in Washington are now reconsidering when to begin deportation hearings for Haitians. Eliott Rodriguez, Channel 4 News, Miami Federal Court.